Oh, hey there folks, Elder Law Care Attorney Patrick Kelleher. Welcome to elderlawcare.com. Hey folks, today's question is, what is the difference between Medicaid and Medicare? Medicaid versus Medicare. I often hear that question from folks at our educational workshops when we're teaching elder law workshops in the community. So folks, the difference between Medicare and Medicaid are the following. Medicare, folks, is a government program for short-term care, acute care, things like hospitalizations, rehab, physical therapy, things of that nature. From my experience as an elder law attorney, typically when somebody gets injured or has a medical event at home, they're oftentimes transported from the home to the hospital. And then they may be under Medicare coverage as well as their private insurance as well. Sometimes it's a co-share on those medical bills. And then when they're transferred from the hospital to, say, the rehab facility, that is considered short-term care or acute care. Medicare typically pays for that setting, for that type of care, physical therapy, rehab, things of that nature, for about 90 days or less, depending on how well the patient is doing. And from my experience, if the patient is not getting better, Medicare typically is looking to shut the faucet off and discontinue Medicare benefits. And they're required by law to give that person a Medicare discontinuance of benefits notice. I was there today. My dad was in the nursing home a number of years ago, and the nice woman came in and said, Mr. Kelleher, here's your Medicare discontinuance of benefits notice. My dad's Medicare benefits were running out at that nursing home, but he was under physical therapy rehab at the time, and he was no longer getting better or making improvements, even though that should not be the standard under Medicare current laws based on the Jimmo v. Sebelius case we'll talk about in another video. That being said, you have a right to appeal that Medicare discontinuance of benefits notice as well. You ought to know that. But after Medicare shuts that faucet off, then they're looking to you or your loved one to either pay privately the skilled nursing facility. It could be to the tune of $15,000 per month or more, depending on what part of the country you reside in as well. Or if you're not going to private pay, they're going to look for you to get on Medicaid benefits. Medicaid, completely different than Medicare. Medicaid is for long-term care, and you have to be indigent and impoverished to qualify financially for Medicaid benefits, typically in the setting of a skilled nursing facility. So folks, that is the difference between Medicare and Medicaid. Just as an overview, Medicare, short-term, acute, rehab, physical therapy, up to about 90 days, generally speaking. In Medicare, once they shut the faucet off, then you may be looking to transition into Medicaid benefits. Medicaid is for long-term care benefits. Folks, hopefully this video was helpful. If you thought so, please scroll down, post a comment, post a question, and a member of our Elder Law Care team will get back to you as soon as possible. If you'd like to learn more, go to our website, elderlawcare.com, and pick up a copy of our book either on the website or on Amazon. If you'd like to read, read it. It's a short read, educational, supplemental, so you'll learn how to slay the metaphorical four-headed beast of estate planning in elder law, which is probate court, the estate death tax, financial creditors and predators, and maybe that $15,000 per month nursing home. Folks, look forward to seeing you next time at elderlawcare.com.